Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best replacement screen for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Foufinin screen replacement with frame for the Samsung Z Flip 4 5G model SMF721U and SMF721W. If you're dealing with a cracked, damaged, or unresponsive screen on your Z Flip 4, this product promises to restore your phone to its original quality without breaking the bank or sending it off to expensive repairs. The Foufinin replacement screen comes as a complete assembly. It includes the LCD display, touch digitizer, and frame all in one unit. That means you're getting everything needed for a professional-grade replacement. This screen measures 6.7 inches, the exact size of your original Z Flip 4 display, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless user experience. One of the standout features here is the quality. Foufinin guarantees that their LCD screens are the same quality used by repair shops, undergoing double quality control testing before shipping. This attention to detail means you can expect sharp, vibrant visuals with high resolution and touch sensitivity that rivals the original screen on your phone. It fixes all common screen issues from cracks and dead spots to blurry displays and touch response problems. Installing this screen yourself can save you a significant amount of money. Foufinin recommends watching tutorial videos available on YouTube to guide you through the process, making it easier for those who want to DIY. A few handy tips. Always power off your device before starting the replacement. Unplug the battery connector first to avoid any electrical mishaps, and using a hairdryer can help soften the adhesive for easier removal of the old screen. Inside the box, you'll find the replacement screen assembly plus tools to help with installation. The screen is designed to be wireless compatible and fits the exact Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 models specified, so compatibility won't be an issue. Before installation, it's essential to test the new screen. If you notice any lines or unresponsive areas, Foufinin advises carefully disconnecting the battery and cleaning the connectors before trying again. They do recommend having a professional install the screen if you're unsure, as improper installation can lead to damage for which they do not take responsibility. With the Foufinin screen replacement, you're not just getting a spare part, you're getting a high-quality, durable solution to bring your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 back to life. Whether your screen is cracked, showing discoloration, or the touch function is acting up, this replacement kit addresses those problems head-on. In summary, this screen replacement offers a perfect balance of quality, compatibility, and value, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to fix their Z Flip 4 screen without the high cost of manufacturer repairs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.